Hi, Rana here from Technical SEO Team per Lemon. Today we learn how to spy the Facebook ads, how to find the clients for social media management, or how to find the businesses which are advertising on the Facebook right now. So for this purpose, go to the facebook.com/ads/library. Here you can select the country. For example, I want to find in the United Kingdom, and select the all ads. So here you can find the advertiser or type the keyword. My keyword is pet or pets. Hit the enter. So now you can also filter the results by language, by platforms, Facebook, Instagram, Messenger, and the media types. For example, if someone is advertising with a creative image, with the creative ads, video, and the status, if the ad is active or not. So these are the filters. So you can load the page and show more results. So we can suppose I am now at the bottom and I have scrolled at the end, and now maximum results are visible. And now you can use this extension, the name Instant Data Scraper. Click on this. You can install this extension using Chrome Web Store. So here you can see I have the result of 150 ads. Copy all and open a new Google Sheet. You can paste the results here. Here you can see is the first ad. So the creative names, action buttons, creatives, Facebook ad link. It is the ads copy, website of the business. So now we have a list of almost 150 businesses who are advertising on the Facebook. So I can also analyze this ad copy and use the GPT function to analyze the data. You can check another video on the same channel, Per Lemon Leads. You can find another video where I have explained how to analyze the data using Google Sheets and OpenAI. So thank you.